Developments tonight. The most restrictive abortion law in the nation now on hold.
A federal judge calling the measure unconstitutional. The law aims to ban abortions after 6 weeks of pregnancy. The decision comes just days after tens of thousands of people across the country rallied in favor of reproductive rights. Right
now, anti-abortion laws are in limbo nationwide. 29 states, including Georgia, are waiting for the Supreme Court to hear a case challenging Roe v. Wade.
CBS 46's Tori Cooper spoke to a constitutional lawyer about where Georgia stands. Tori.
Yeah, good evening. A constitutional attorney I spoke to says the decision in Texas really just follows suit with what we already saw happen right here in Georgia. Georgia's heartbeat law was blocked, and just last week, a federal judge delayed a decision on an appeal until the Supreme Court rules on another case in Mississippi.
Once you say it's not a federal constitutional right, then the states have free reign.
Constitutional attorney Paige Pate says women's rights in Georgia, Mississippi, and Texas will be decided in the Supreme Court. In a major move, a district judge in Texas sided with the Justice Department, blocking the state's new restrictive abortion law.
Tell lawmakers to keep your bans off our bodies.
SB 8 prevents women from having an abortion after just 6 weeks and allows private citizens to sue anyone who performs abortions or aids and abates. It was signed into law in May.
Our creators endowed us with the right to life.
The Georgia heartbeat bill, passed in 2019, is also now facing a court battle. Judges in the Peach State vowing to make their decision based off what happens in a Mississippi case this December.
If the court's going to overrule Roe v. Wade, then our decision about the Georgia law is going to be different.
Mississippi law would ban abortions later than 15 weeks into pregnancy. Georgia's heartbeat law gives women a window of 20 weeks.
It's at an all-time level of importance.
Heather Palacio works for Planned Parenthood. She says women have been leaving Texas to get abortions in neighboring states.
Last year, we saw around 250 patients from Texas across our affiliate. This year to date, we've seen more than 500.
All eyes now turn to Mississippi, and that could lead Georgia lawmakers to take a more restrictive route.
If this court says there's no constitutional right at all, then it doesn't matter if it's 20 weeks or 6 weeks or 2 weeks. States would be free to regulate it as much as they want to.
Now, even though enforcing the new abortion law in Texas is on pause, clinics can still be sued retroactively for any abortions provided while that law is blocked. In studio, I'm Tori Cooper, CBS 46 News.
Thank you, Tori.